Sorry. Sige, pikit na.
100 more kilometer. Bakit?
Aries. Aries. Hi. Ano ba yan?
Nakasabi.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Ano na dito ang gamit sa loob?
Wala na.
Ano to?
Ay, hindi ko pa na-check.
Okay, ate dito. Yung sapatos ni ate na dito. Saka yung medyas.
Why? Yes.
Mm-hmm.
One more?
I'll show you. Hi, what's this name? What? No!
Huwag kang tatalon sa water, ha?
Why? Can I touch it?
Baka mahulog ka. You dapa.
I don't, but
Dapa ka muna.
is there spiders?
Oh, ading, don't push, kuya.
There's spiders.
No, there's no spider. That's...
Can I put this in water?
No, ba? Under tayo. Look at me.
Ano kaya katagal itong ilaw na to? Abuti.
Nis.
Ay, yung ilaw ni dito. Diyan na lang sa loob.
Lagyan mo nga to kami.
Ha?
Wala pang tagay itong mga ano doon.
Yum, yum.
Natakot ako, hindi ba lang pwedeng mag-pass?
Wow, yummy.
Huwag mo lang lalagyan ng ano, ng baka kalawangin na yung ano. Baka maglumot yan. Lumutin na yun. Natatakot naman ako.
Hawakan mo to, Hans, ading.
Ay, aling. Aling, yung isa rin pala si Job. Okay. Ano sabi? Sama ko. Come on, Sarah, sama.
Look at me. I'm gonna show you your face. Come here.
Go down. Meowie.
Liga, let's go. Tingin ka muna kay nanay. Doing so. Are you having fun?
Yes.
Yes.
Now say what?
Let's go, Rika. Oh.
How far I'm going.
Ooh, okay, let's go. No more lights na. Tara na. Halika na, punta tayo sa tent. Hello, there's a cat. Oh my God. You scare me, little cat.
It's wild.
Is it a wild cat?
Yeah.
No, don't go near the wild cat then.
Huh?
Huwag kang lalapit.
It's gonna bite you.
Hello.
Come here.
It is.
Give it lights. It needs lights.
Okay. Wala, mahulog tayo. Why are you holding on to me? Oo, mahulog kayo sa bangit. Don't pull it, kuya.
Because there's.
Thank you. Flower for nanay. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you, anak. Baby?
Yeah.
Nakay tatay.
Can I change pajamas?
Yeah, let's go. Let's change na.
Can I change
There's a cat again. You scared? It's okay. It's okay.
I'm scared of dogs, but I don't like wild dogs and dogs.